You're live.
Oh. We're going over to the Veterans Home.
What? I can't hear you.
We're going over to the Veterans Home.
Alright, so what else do we do on Drive? We go visit friends, family, graveyards, just things to do, and people that are important to us, and we try our best. And why do we go over to the Veterans Home? Do you remember why we go to the Veterans Home?
To thank the people who don't have people to thank because they served our country and we're thankful for them.
Yeah, you're looking too much into it. We're going over to see our friends.
Okay.
We're going to see our friends. Let them know they matter. Tell them hi.
And we're thankful for the people that...
Oh my God, everything is like a speech to you. It's like, no, it's not. It's sometimes we do things just because they're our friends.
I have this glow-in-the-dark stuff, but I'm excited.
Wow. Why? Why do I need to be in it? They don't want to see me. They want to see you.
I don't want to see me.
I'm like the ugly duckling. I turn out to be a swan in the end, though.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I
You're
do.
still ugly.
Ooh! Burn! I'm getting burned by my daughter.
You don't know what a burn is. Like, that was just a slight...
Nah.
No, like, all the times that I do burn you good, it's just like...
That's why I use sarcasm. Like I said, my burns
You
when I
just
say it is
stand
like
there.
sarcasm. Hey, Larry! How are you, my friend? Say hi to Larry. Really? Larry? Embry? You can't say hi to Larry? He's sitting right there, and you can't say hi to Larry?
Larry.
Larry Embry. My daddy's good friends. He's awesome. So we are going over to the Veterans Home. Gonna go say hi to a few people. They don't know we're coming over. Now, most of the time when we do this, and we do it without anybody knowing. A lot of things that we do, I know you guys think because I put everything on social media that you guys know everything. Actually, that's not true at all. Majority, almost 95% of everything we do without video cameras. We do without taking pictures or photos. We do without anybody even knowing what we're doing because it's more private. You know, so people know, like I said, the only reason why we're doing it now is so you kind of get an idea. And so when Gracie gets older, whatever, she can see some of the stuff that we've been doing for years. And like I said, 2020, we bring it in as best we can. And like I said, we're coming out to the Illinois Veterans Home. And we're visiting some people out here real quick. And then, like I said, then we'll go home and do a lot of other things. And why am I saying all this? Why do I get all this out? Well, because some people are always looking at different things they can do. They're looking at different things. And so my whole point years ago with my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that, LinkedIn, was not just for business, not just for work, but also showing parents and showing people all the different things they can be doing, all the different things we do, you know, giving ideas to people. A lot of my ideas come from other people. And then I kind of make them my own, or I figure out a way to make them better. And just kind of
don't have the hay bales anymore.
What hay bales?
Me and Ava were stepping
What?
on.
What are you talking about? Ava's never been out here with us.
Yes, she has.
Maybe during the parades, but not during...
The parades, too.
Okay. Anyway, so what we do now is we're going to go in, and we got some stuff for our friends. And like I said, we just make a day out of it because, like I said, instead of sitting in front of a TV, we come and visit friends because, to me, it's more important to have friends. And we'll keep this part private, but we wanted to just let you know, why don't you come out and visit some people?
My hair tie's not staying in because I don't want to move around here.
What did you just say?
My hair tie's not staying in.
Your hair tie's not staying in? So, anyway, we'll talk to everybody later. Like I said, we are, like I said, doing the next event. Have a good one.